Hello everyone, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance, and just going over a quick tip for some of you techs out there, some of you new guys, even some of you do-it-yourselfers. Today I want to talk about, this is a direct drive Whirlpool brand washer. It's an estate series, and something lately, I'm not going to repairs and sometimes in the shop, I've been having issues with this water valve. So, and again, keep in mind, as most advice, this isn't a blanket or cookie cutter repair. So if you try to use this advice for a different water valve, it may not work. So, but for this style water valve, now you've got this particular one with the little hook, because you've got some that's straight on, that's different. But this particular water valve with the little hook over, let me show you the back, what it look like. It's split. It leaks. It's had a lot of issues. So I've had a repair I went to the other day. I could not find a leak for nothing, and I saw a little drip right here. If you have one of these leaking, if you got a mystery leak, check the valves. I had one leaking right at the bottom here before. Also, I had on a repair, and that's the part number. This is a temperature sensor. So when you put this thing on one of these different settings, especially like cool or warm, and the water only comes out cold, this sensor is bad. I believe you can't just buy the sensor. You got to buy the whole valve. They're not expensive at all. On Amazon, they're like $40. So if you have one of these water valves and hot water won't come out, obviously check the lens screen on the actual valve itself. Let me show you what that is. It's this, the little white thing in there. That's your lens screen. Make sure that's not clogged. But just a quick tip on those who may have an issue with hot water not coming into the machine, or a leak, or just not coming on at all. These water valves are prone to have issues. Any questions, feel free to ask below. I'll try to respond to questions as soon as I can. Obviously a little busy, but I'll try to get to you. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to help support the channel. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance.